Okay, you guys, this is an exclusive preview of a house I'm holding open tomorrow. This is 14810 North 7th Place in Moon Valley. You can see it's an awesome remodel, laundry, bedrooms. Love these real wood floors that are throughout the house. Got a split floor plan, so bedrooms on this side. Gorgeous remodeled bathroom. I'm gonna zoom back out here. Like, how fabulous is this? Terrific pool out here. Lots of natural light, and then split on the other side of the house is the main bedroom. This is a king size bed. It's huge. You could have 2 king size beds in here if you wanted. The primary suite is great. Closet over here, closet over here, bathtub. Awesome.